Hello everyone. It's great to see you back for our second video in the Container Deployment series. In this video, I will show you how to deploy a bold BI single container Docker image using Docker Compose. Before we dive into the deployment process, let's take a moment to understand what Docker and Docker Compose are. Docker is an open-source platform designed to simplify the process of development, deployment, and running applications using containerization. It simplifies the process of building, distributing, and running an application by providing a unified way to package and deploy them. On the other hand, Docker Compose is a tool used to define and manage multi-container Docker applications. It provides a simplified and centralized way to manage multi-container applications by configuring and running them. Let's move on to the deployment steps. I first open the Windows terminal and check if Docker Desktop is installed using the command docker. If it is not installed, I will install Docker Desktop to proceed with the deployment. Then I download the Docker Compose file by copying the command from the Docker Hub link provided in this video's description and run the command. After downloading the Docker Compose file, I will open it in edit mode using the following command: notepad dockercompose.yml. Provide the unlock key under Environments. To get unlock key, refer the KB documentation link provided in this video's description. After entering the unlock key, I save the file using the shortcut keys Ctrl+S. Then, run the command docker compose upd to start the application. Finally, I open the URL in the browser where the application is deployed and confirm that the application was successfully installed. In this video, I've covered the concept of Docker, Docker Compose, and the steps to deploy bold BI single container Docker image with Docker Compose. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to deploy bold BI multi-container Docker image with Docker Compose. Thank you for watching.